Boom, shall have some cash, man. Devin the doctor represent for Jamaica, worst game of reacts. Jamaica, worst game of react. Devin the doctor say I baddest thing.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is here with another reaction. Today we are with some reggae music, man, some feel-good reggae music. Artist go by the name of Tawa. Yes, from Zimbabwe, all the way from Zim. Big up my Zim subscribers, them. Big up all of the African subscribers, them. Big up on yourself. Yes, that one is produced by Team Gorilla Music. Yes, big up yourself, my G. Honors and respect, sir. Team Gorilla Music. So yeah, Tawa with cheers. Yes, we can jump in the one and see what go on, man. Salute. Let's go. Tawa, cheers.
Ooh, yeah.
Sunday, afternoon.
Tawa. Oh. See, I know there's no peace at the bottom of my glass, but I might need a break. Put the fake smile off my face.
Yeah.
It took me a while to admit that I'm a mess.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Tonight let me fall away from grace. I said it. Yes, I said it. With the help of liquid confidence.
Yo, hold on there. We can go again, because there's something I want to touch on my ear a while ago. We're deep.
Ooh, yeah.
Tawa with cheers.
Yeah.
Team Gorilla
Tawa.
Music.
Oh.
Ready?
See, I know there's no peace at the bottom of my glass.
So, no say there's no peace at the bottom of the glass. We know that because you don't know say alcohol it have in and them say alcohol bad for you, right? So there's no peace. Not because I drink it now, it not go cure me. It not go cure my problems that I have. It might black it out, but it not go cure it. Alright, let's get out.
I know there's no peace at the bottom of my glass.
Joe, watch your style up.
But I might need a break. Put the fake smile off my face.
That part I want to talk about. So, what go on here, so? You go hold a drink. You go hold a drink and just relax your mind. You can take off the fake smile off of your face. Because remember, say the whole world fake right now, you know. Even social media fake right now, you know. Which we been know, you know. So, either you're there at work or you're there to their life, home life, there's some fakeness going on. Include lots of fake smile, right? So, what the artist has said right here so is, after me get me drink, me can relax and not worry about no fakeness.
I might need a break. Put the fake smile off my face. It took me a while to admit that I'm a mess.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Tonight let me fall away from grace. I said it. Yes, I said it. With the help of liquid confidence. Cause I'm too exhausted. Just wanna get wasted.
Yeah, man. Me just too exhausted. Me just tired. Right now, me just want to relax my mind and relax my body. I'm heart and my soul too. And what can do it? Cheers. Alcohol. Let's drink to the weekend. Cheers.
Cause I'm too exhausted. Just wanna get wasted.
Tawa. It's nice.
So cheers to my troubles. Cheers to my pain. Cheers to my effort.
A link to the one you go pin in the comment section. Now beg you to go over there, go check them out and tell them say you're Jamaica worst game I said them. Tawa. This sound good you fuck. Alright.
See, I know there's no peace at the bottom of my glass, but I might need a break. Put the fake smile off my face. It took me a while to admit that I'm a mess. I'm tired. Tonight let me fall away from grace. I said it. Yes, I said it. With just wanna get wasted. So cheers to my troubles. Cheers to my pain. Cheers to my effort. Watch it going down the drain. Cheers to the loneliness and the friends that are gone.
Yeah, man, we are drinking to everything, man. To the good and the bad and the ugly. Yes, we are drinking to everything. Cheers.
To the loneliness and the friends that are gone. Cheers to the broken men I am. Cheers to the broken men I am.
So the G I say, yo, even cheers to the broken man that he is. He must say cheers for everything, because he knows, say, yo, where there's a calm, there's a storm. Where there's a storm, there's a calm. So he might tell us, say, yo, even though me I got through them I think right now, once me get you it on the other side, me I go, all right, yeah.
Cheers to the broken men I am.
Tawa!
See, I got these bills, but I don't have the finances.
Yeah, bills are piled
I
up.
don't wanna feel, so I'm raising my defenses, yeah. I'm the black sheep of the family. It shows by the way they talk to me,
Yeah.
oh Lord.
Enough how we can relate to that, no? Enough how we are black sheep to a family, right? Enough how we are black sheep to a family. Them only remember you when them want something. Them now use you normally.
It shows by the way they talk to me, oh Lord.
No love.
Only you know it's killing me, oh.
Something
Said
said.
it, yes I said it, with the help of liquor confidence.
Yo, this bad dog.
I'm too exhausted, just wanna get wasted. So cheers to my troubles. Cheers to my pain. Cheers to my effort. Watch it going down the drain. Down the drain. Cheers to the loneliness and the friends that are gone. Oh, cheers to the broken men I am.
Opa! Reading my box. Team Gorilla Music. Reading bad dog.
So cheers to my troubles. Cheers to my pain. Cheers to my effort. Watch it going down the drain. Cheers to the loneliness and the friends that are gone. Oh Lord. Cheers to the broken men I am. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Opa! This sounds sweet, yo!
So cheers to my troubles. Cheers to my pain. Cheers to my effort. Watch it going down the drain.
Yo, this is so refreshing, yo. Especially, like, this is so refreshing. The whole family can listen to this, yo. This bad. If you don't agree with me on that one, please click the link in the comment section and go over there, go support, run up the numbers on that one. Yeah. This bad. And I don't think we get enough good music like this. Like music will last. I be a 2-3 week music we get, bro. So when we get the music, we have to cherish them, dog. You can sing this beside of your granny on a Sunday evening. You can do there clean your house. And I sing them song, you're driving in your car, you sing them song, you play them song. Bad, universal song, bad. Me like it. No joke. Team Gorilla, great job. Production nice, mix good. Sound nice, reading choice good. Match back Tawa voice. Tawa, big up yourself all the way from Zimbabwe in the house. Yo, I want thing with our reggae music it there everywhere, you know? Believe. 4 corner of the earth it there. Believe, man. Yeah, man. Tawa. More tracks again from you, hopefully. Yes. Team Gorilla, big up yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, guys. And I'll see you down there. Alright? Peace.
Binds! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.